This sound has always fascinated me. The sound of knuckles popping. While it's like a melody for some, for others it's simply irritating. But have you ever wondered what makes your knuckles pop like bubbles? Well, because there are actual bubbles in there. All the joints in our body that can pop have a fluid between the bones. It has the consistency of an egg yolk, and it helps the bones to glide. This fluid contains lots of dissolved gas molecules. Now, when we bend our fingers to get that satisfactory pop, the gap between the joints increases, but the amount of fluid in there remains the same. This creates a low pressure zone in our knuckles, and because of this, the dissolved gas molecules come out and form a bubble. And when they do that, they release a sound. It's kinda like how gas bubbles come out when we open a soda bottle.